Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So we're gonna take a peek at the yard. Today is July the 3rd, tomorrow's July the 4th. For me, for a lot of lawn guys, that's the Super Bowl of lawn days, the epitome of what we want our lawn to have the best day possible. And I was worried that I was not gonna hit this day because I watered my lawn way too much after I got back from vacation. It's caused melting, which is a yellowish brown effect that you get in your lawn from overwatering stress. And I thought, man, there's no way I'm gonna hit July the 4th. But I hit it with some fertilizer to push growth. I cut. Did not water at all. I cut off all watering except for God's great rain. And that came about and only lasted an hour for a few days. And so I was able to push out the damage from overwatering, and here's what we got. The lines are supposed to be waves, signifying the waving of the American flag, the stars. And there she is. I got to say, she's pretty. Pretty to me. Now, I know some of you guys, man, you put Statue of Liberty and you put some of our armed forces guys out there and carve all the stuff in. I don't have that talent, but I love the good old glory right there. Red, white, and the blue. Of course, this is just green, dark green, and the white stars. But there we are, boys and girls. Tomorrow will be July the 4th, so I wish everybody a happy July the 4th. Now, again, I had melting. That's a yellowish brown haze on the lawn. I pushed it with some nitrogen, cut off all water, slammed it with some iron. Now, I do have a couple of products I use, but as everybody knows, I do not promote products on my channel because I am just a DIY guy that likes to work in his yard, and I'm not out here looking to make a buck. So just know that that's what I did. Give you a look from some different angles here. This is cut at I think 3/4 with the McLean 20-inch. I swapped the engine out on it. So there you go. Again, wishing all you guys a happy 4th of July. If you have issues in your yard, try to think of what you may have done to cause those issues. If it's fungus, you can put out fungicides, you can push some growth. I wouldn't suggest pushing a whole lot of growth this time of year because that could lead to things like fungus and scalping and a lot of other issues. Just give your yard some nutrients as it needs and tend to it. If you do get issues, like the next thing that I will do at the end of this week, and today is Monday, July the 3rd, I'm going to scalp, verticut, and reset my entire lawn. And that may be what some of you guys are going to be running into this time of year, where you're wondering, what can I do to get that good look back that I had at the beginning of summer? It may be time for a reset for you. So that's what I'll be doing, and it is some work, I'll tell you that. And then I'll have to go back and backlap my reel mower after I'm done with it. There'll be clippings just like there were in the spring. But think about that. Other than that, happy 4th, Bermuda Brian, out.